Good morning, team. It's another sick day in Palmy. What is this weather we've been having, eh? So, it's been a while since I took the Onewheel to work, not gonna lie. So, it's taking me a little bit to get back into the motion, things. But, God, it feels weird riding the Onewheel after riding the bike all the time. Let me just pull up here and show you my feet right. The main thing on the Onewheel is honestly feet placement, eh? It's all about how you feel turning the corners and pushing your feet down and stuff like that. But it's mostly just a little lot of wiggling side to side, you know, carving it up. Oh, I'm on 39%. That's probably not ideal. Hopefully we can make it back with that. Honestly, it's so much easier to ride the Onewheel on the road because, like, it's just consistent pavement. And the issue with riding along here is that you're constantly having to dodge little holes. Everyone's driveways are all uneven. They make your phone fall off. You've only got one wheel with absolutely no suspension. So like how you're supposed to handle bumps, you know what I mean? Like, not really well, to be honest. That's what I mean by it's just easier to do it on the road. But it's not exactly as legal, I suppose. Pulled up here yesterday, and look, today we're coming through on the Onewheel. Your boy has absolutely zero breakfast today, so countdown. Here we go. They don't have the bread I like, so we're going to try some Oh Delicious. Nom 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 nom. Oh, bargain. You know, honestly, if there is something I can recommend, it's buying smart lunches. $20 will get me through the entire week. Literally just some bread, sandwiches, yogurt, milk, and some meat, something like that. And that gets me my entire week of lunch done. $20. Gucci. Let's go make breakfast. Oh, mama, let's go. Do you have anything other than a piece of toast every morning, you know? What do you guys have every morning? Let me know. Let me know. Are you a toast person? Or are you a, I just pointed at the toast twice. Are you a toast person or a cereal person? I pretty much chop between Marmite and toast and cereal and yogurt. Cereal and yogurt? Yeah, usually in yogurt. Yeah. Sweet as, just like that, all done with brekkie, ready for another day's work, and I'll see you guys in the day. Oh, and there we go. I did not have enough battery to get home. This is when it gets dangerously low, and so I just have to cruise home for the rest of it. Enjoy. Well, that didn't fucking work, did it? Okay, so after a quick adjustment, and also forgot that my Onewheel is on literally about, I think, 7%, 8%, so I don't even know if I'll get home. Really need to stop peeling. This thing is running out of juice. It's just freaking like give up all the power as I go. I say, oh, I'll say it today. I'll probably say it tomorrow. But it was a bloody beautiful day here today, guys. Hope you had a sick time. I love my job. I love the bits. One day you'll all know what it is, but my job's dope. I had a good day. Hope everyone else had a good day. Had a good day in the comments. Let me know. Yep. Here we are. This is as far as we made it. Dead battery. Good stuff. I was going to take the Onewheel out on the chair for this afternoon for the rest of the vlog, but I think what I'll do is I'll attach my phone mount onto my bike, and hopefully that'll be sick. Yeah, cheer everyone. Here I am, end of the day, made it home, another day done. I was going to chuck the mount on the bike and stuff like that, but you know what, we'll just wrap up the vlog here. But I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Like, subscribe, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.